What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the Claude AI code is disabled error quickly and easily. First, refresh the Claude page and sign in again. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log back into your account. Next, disable any VPN or proxy and try using a different internet connection. If you're using Claude through a team workspace, check with your administrator to make sure your access hasn't been restricted. You should also update or reinstall the Claude app or extension if you're using one. Finally, check the Anthropic status page to see if there's an ongoing service outage. If the problem still isn't fixed, contact Anthropic support. Contact Contact Anthropic support with a screenshot of the error. And that's it. That's how to fix the Claude AI code is disabled error. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.